So instead of Brookhaven today, we're gonna test this Akinator. So okay, okay. Select the next game for me. Hmm. Characters. Okay. Like a woman. No. Outside. Okay. Character. Yes, I'm a real person. The character is me. Your character American. No. Is your character currently more than 30? I'm not even 20. Live in Korea? No, not at all. Tell your current person, yes, I know myself. Duh. Eh? Do you have the same parents as your character? Yes. Duh. Nah, fool. Mhm. Your character as old as you are. Oh my god, yes, I am old as I am. Nah, fool. Okay, do you control your character? Yes. Okay, is your character visible? Bruh, every character must be visible. Except Casper the Ghost. Thus, your character, same school. Yes. Is your character parent from Pakistan? No. Okay, well, bruh. Okay, okay, fine. Okay. Now let's taste something else. I'm gonna taste something else. This is really, like, I mean, obviously, it's me. Okay, so, plug in. Mm. Okay, let's do an animal this time. I'll do my pet dog. For, bruh, every animal has four legs except can your animal be pets? Every animal can be found in a pet store. Oh, meow. So it is not a cat, it's a dog. Okay, can your animal be used for protection? I can kinda say so. She will go pretty rough. The animal Germany, bruh. No. Does probably. Does your animal live near water? No. Said no. Is your animal used by police? Probably. Can your animal be found all around the world? Yes. Don't start by changing. Okay, is your animal fluffy? Yes. Can your animal be found in the city? Yes. Can your animal be found around the world? I think you already asked me that, but okay. Yes. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Can your animal be found in several different? Oh yes. Okay. Okay. Bro, can't you leave your phone alone? Okay. Does your animal have membrane wings? No. Does your animal? Don't know. Probably not. Mhm. Ooh. Mhm, mm, mm.
Our birthday is a big deal.
Okay. Does your animal have a high pitched bark? Yes, he can pretty much a lot. Okay. Does your animal live in cold water? Yes. No, 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 no. Does your animal attack where we suppose don't know? Not for bro. Don't you? Mm, bro. Please, can you just answer my questions and not plan it? Does your animal? Yes, I know. Not all dreams. Is your animal with a SeaWorld? No, not at all. Not at all. No. Wait. I have an idea for the next one. Play again. We're just gonna set everything objects. Yes. Uh, Greg is right one. Bro! Wait. This time, let's choose the Stokes twins. Okay, character. Okay, your character a girl. No, I'm just gonna use L. Bruh. That's is your now 29 now. Okay, that's your chapter. In America, don't know. It's your turn. I don't know you. Seeing honesty. A sportsman. Unfortunately, no. Guess again. Does your character have a human? Obviously. Okay. Does your character know your name? No. Is your character older than 35 years old? No. Is your character a kid? No. Is your character a singer or does he work with a singer? Or a musical? No. Um, not for beats. Not for rings. Okay, is your famous on TikTok? Yes, sections is on TikTok. And if they're famous on YouTube, they're probably also famous on TikTok. Is your character famous for their beauty? No. Dark skinned? No. No. A black? No. No. Black hair. Yes. Not. Oh. mm, And for making YouTube videos? Yes. Okay, does have a beard. Let me check that. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know that, but so oh, there they are. No, that looks clean. Okay. Where am I? Okay, wait, let me just close that real quick. That is pretty much it now. Okay. Okay. No. There's a no. Brazilian. No. Actually, Chinese. That's where they're born. Down there in the UK. There's actually use bad. No. Your character linked to a food. We Alex is but often Lena. There were twins and they used to some funny YouTube videos. Then the probably okay. Does your character my Minecraft videos? No. Allergic to cats? No, no, no. No, no, no. Bruh, that guy's wondering wait, are you check the numbers in his nickname? Nope, nope. Bruh, look at this dude. Look at the dude. I have a brother. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. The, and not that guy. Continue. Yes. He love with his brother. Yes, he does. Well, they do, yeah. With his brother, yes. Can I just actually love with his brother? Yes, I just said that. Cool. Eric actually have twin. Yes, they are basically twins. Like I mean, it's just those twins. Okay, has your channel recently gained weight, Alex? Okay, not to be mean, but yeah. Dyed their hair pink for charity. Alex, it was pink for a while actually. Not I eat a lot. Alex does, so yeah. Okay. Okay. Alex Stokes. Okay, this time let's do Cat. I think she has a channel. Let's see real quick. Cats. Yes, she has a channel. So, oh, what? Oh, okay. Okay. Um. Okay. So let's. Dun, dun, by X Alex Stokes. Yes, 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 yes. Well, okay. I don't want to make this video too long, so I think maybe next video we will do that. Bye. Remember to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.